Baki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke Jingkulmar nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke Jingkulmar ke Jingseo ka baret but pila ban lagu ban kuliah da ke education loan, pila ruban sekolah number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan. Menteri ka Sarkar Assam Piyush Hazarika haka khatsautri ujlieu ar hazar arpulai ulakan taiwar bagi brio ki bajudan ketiban Nongthaw Jingkulmar ha Khappud kidai ki nong jong jilla Assam. Hazarika lopen pau yakani haka jingakran bikla pathai kubor hadian balawai ka jingalang jong ka regional committee na ka banta ka West Jaintia Hills but West Karbi Anglong ka balalong ha State Convention Center hanong ba Shillong. Shu Hazarika lo ongru ba kipai ba nong jong jilla Assam kidai ki badan jinga dai ka bajan bat kipai ba nong jong jilla Meghalaya bat ka jilla Assam kamdan jing AAA haka bayadai bat ka jinga penbet ya upud usam bat ka jilla Meghalaya.
See, there are no disturbance from Assam. Miscreants disturbance not belong to the state. We are very friendly. We should have very good relationship with Meghalaya, and we have. So we don't have problem with Meghalaya people. Miscreants don't belong to us. That is very simple. So we have high regards to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of other part of the northeastern part of the country. So amicably we should settle our long-pending issues. We have long-pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time. Miscreant is miscreant. How will you identify sitting here miscreants? But Assam people have love to the people of Meghalaya, and I believe Meghalaya people also have love to the people of Assam. I am extremely sorry for that. I am extremely sad for that. We shouldn't have less. We should have peaceful relationship with people of Meghalaya. Both the people from Meghalaya, people from our part, should have cordial, peaceful relationship, and our government, our chief minister deserves that only.